So I'm here at Las Vegas Airport, and rather than looking at the digital signs that are doing advertising, let's take a look at the departures and arrivals data. If you look really close, what you'll see is a design that at the very top there, says departures, 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 departures. So you could do that very easily now that you're trained in SAM. Right, Artie?
Mm-hmm.
This would be so easy. And you see it says airport, airline, flight, date, time, and status. In the yellow band top,
Yep.
you could basically do this just with what you already have. The tools you already have could actually make this for this, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah. In fact, you're doing the same kind of thing for basketball with the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then over here, there's one screen for advertising. So this location is selling ad space to third party. We could easily do this as well. Look at this one. Passenger messages. See up at the very top there? You gotta look really close, but you'll see that there's a message scrolling across. It says, Jill Lang, paging Jill Lang, please report to Southwest Airlines. Take it.
Yeah.
I want you to notice that the frame rate is terrible. It's going tick, 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 tick across. They don't have a fast enough computer to do that smooth. Okay?
Yep.
Down here.
Yeah.
This is just another meeting. So I hope this is helping you visualize that you are trained completely in being able to manage an airport like this and you wouldn't sleep over. Agreed?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to look at the back of the panels here. What are you looking at? A ton of steel, right?
Mm-hmm.
See that?
Yes.
Why is there a ton of steel back there? Why? Yes? Anybody guess?
Nope.
Okay. Hidden in behind this steel, if you were to look up, you would see all the cable and wiring, and there is a full-on computer up there running this.
Yeah, so that
Okay?
is clean.
So it's nice and clean. Exactly.
Yep.
So it's more or less nice and clean. Like they have issues like everybody else does. Look, there's a HDMI cable down the side. Okay. So there's a cable kicking around down here, sort of installed back in. Nobody's perfect. It's really good. It's a nice tight install. Great.
Yep.
That installation now you could do for airports around the world and not even sleep without it. You could do it with computers like what we have with SAM sticks, right? Sandbox.
Yep.
And you could super easy control this. Why? Because you're the operations center already signage around the world. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to go off to my flight, but I hope that gives you some more graphic design ideas you could work on in SAM. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thanks everybody.